In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage Weebly bookings and appointments in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business looking to streamline your appointment process or just want to explore Weebly's capabilities, this tutorial is perfect for you. Setting up a booking system can seem daunting, but with Weebly, it's straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Weebly's website. If you're not familiar with Weebly, it's a powerful free website builder that also offers tools for online stores. Start by opening your browser and typing in weebly.com. This will bring you to their homepage where you have access to everything you need to get started. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. This is easily done with your email and password. If you haven't created an account yet, you can quickly set one up by following the prompts on the Weebly site. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed into your account. After logging in, you're going to be redirected to the Weebly dashboard, particularly to the overview section. This dashboard is your command center where you can manage your site settings, view statistics, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you're new to it. Next, click on the Edit Site button. This will launch the site editor, which is where you can make changes and customizations to your website. The editor is intuitive and offers a drag and drop experience, making it easy to build and edit your site just the way you like it. Once you're in the editor, locate the Apps section, usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you can browse through various applications that can be integrated into your website, enhancing its functionality. It's truly the hub of adding features like bookings, e-commerce, and much more. In the app search bar, type in bookings and press enter. You're looking for an app specifically designed to manage appointments and bookings. When you find it, go ahead and select the booking app from the list of options available. With the app selected, click add to integrate it into your site. This will bring you to an option to connect or install the app. Choose the connect option to seamlessly integrate the booking tools into your existing Weebly site. Alternatively, you have the flexibility to click and drag the app from the installed apps section directly onto your website page. This can be particularly handy if you know exactly where you want this tool to appear on your site. Finally, for those with a paid Weebly account, you have additional options to set up bookings, explore all the features available to you such as payment integration, advanced scheduling options, and more, which can enhance your site's professional feel. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to setting up and managing Weebly bookings and appointments. Following these steps will help you create a seamless booking process for your customers, enhancing their experience and making your operations more efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy booking.